Hi guys, welcome to Easy to Learn. Now we are going to learn about the most used concept in data structures, which is nothing but tree. Hi, let us discuss about one of the most important data structures called as trees. Trees? Wondered? Don't worry, you are not going to plant any tree in your computer or anywhere else. Let us discuss about it. Trees are hierarchical data structures. We all know linear data structures like arrays, linked list, stacks, and queues because they use only to store data in a linear form. But a tree data structure looks like this. Boring? I know. Let me explain this in an animated way. Let's try to make a tree of vehicles. Vehicles which are subdivided into two-wheelers and three-wheelers. Once again, two-wheelers are different kinds. A bicycle, a motorbike, and a bike of other company. Four-wheelers, once again divided into regular and expensive. In regular we have different brands, as well as in expensive we also have different brands, models and styles, designs. So this is called a tree. We cannot represent this type of data using arrays, linked list or stacks. Now let's learn about some useful terms that we use in trees. Observe this. Don't you think our data structure looks like an inverted tree? Yes, it is. First, vehicles. The starting point is called as root. So, roots first. Next comes the branches. So, here these are called as branches, but here we call them as edges. So these are the edges here. Later comes the fruits for a tree. So what are fruits? Observe here: expensive, regular, four wheels, and the last car. These are called as our fruits, but here we call them as nodes or vertex. So the last part, these are leaves. So these all ending nodes are called as leaf nodes. I hope everything is clear till now. Let's learn about some more basic terms. So this is how a tree looks like. So what is the height of a node? The height of a node is the number of edges on the longest path between that node and the leaf node. Observe here. So what is the height of A? Let us calculate it. So the height of A is 3 here as shown. Now height of B is only 1. Then what about the height of C? It has only 2 edges, so 1 and 2. So the height is 2. So what is the height of a leaf? The height of a leaf is always 0. There are more terms, but they are easy. You can just read them and can understand. Hope you understood this well. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.